I'm Gina Greenway, and I'm an agricultural economist at the University of Idaho, and I've been working on the project since it started, so now we have 5 years worth of data. I think the most important thing that we've achieved is that now we have a spray program that works. When we first got started, everybody was trying everything because they just weren't sure, and the disease was so new. And so now we know what works, and I think that formula is a good thing. But I also think we shouldn't get too reliant on specific chemistries. We need to make sure that we keep our toolbox wide so that we're rotating actions among chemistries. The next thing that I did was analyze what the disease does to profitability. So the 5-year average for Texas insecticides was $285 per acre. And so my question was, what is it going to do if the problem spreads and other states have to absorb that $285 an acre, plus there could be some yield losses? So that was the next thing that I did, and I developed enterprise budgets to see what would happen if I added that extra cost in and then analyzed the results. And what we see is really important because in the major potato producing regions of Idaho and the Columbia Basin, about 2/3 of production is concentrated there, and we're already right on the cusp of profitability. Returns were as low as $137 per acre, which is very low. So we're right there on the cusp, and adding those extra costs means all of a sudden now we're not even earning a profit. And so I think the scouting will be really important in the Pacific Northwest, so that growers aren't spraying as insurance, but they're spraying because they absolutely need to, and they cannot afford to just spray for insurance. They have to spray only because they have to. And so we're working on that section of it right now, trying to figure out how we can minimize cost if we have to spray a whole bunch of times to protect the crop, and all the different ways that we can cut down on those.